Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in the video, I am going to tell you why your English is not improving. What is the reason behind it? Alright, so let's get into the video without any further delay. Dear learner, if you really want to improve your speaking, alright, if you really want to improve your English speaking, then obviously, as we all know that it is going to happen only because of practice. Only because of practice. If anybody wants to improve their speaking ability, then the practice is the simple idea, and the practice is the simple trick which can help anybody whoever wants to improve their spoken English. They should practice their spoken English, right? Because no matter, okay, no matter how many things do you know about English, grammars, topics of several things, structures, like many things in English. But believe me, if you are not practicing your English, then never ever you will become able to speak in English. So this is the simple thing. Speaking in English is the only thing which unlocks your speaking ability. So make sure that you should practice your spoken English on a daily basis. And here I want to tell you one more point. I want to tell you one more point. What we people generally do, like we are not consistent enough. For example, we practice a day and then we skip. We do not practice because of some busy schedule, and we say that okay, let it be, today I did not practice my spoken English, so next day I will practice my English. Then believe me, it is not going to work for me. Sorry, not only for me but for every one of us. Okay, if you are not consistent enough, then believe me, it will not be working for you. Because whatever the things I am telling you today, this is all about my experience. You will not believe me if I will narrate you a story of mine, and which is, I was practicing my spoken English every day. I'm talking about past few months ago. I was practicing my English, and what happened, because of some busy schedule, I stopped practicing my English. Not more days, only for 10 days, because I got injury in my both shoulder. Because of that, I stopped practicing my spoken English only for the 10 days. And you will not believe me, when I started again, that moment I was feeling hesitation. I was feeling something that I lack in. Yeah, this is the reality. Why? Here you can just imagine, I was practicing my spoken English every day, but I stopped only for 10 days, and after that I was feeling the same thing as I was feeling very earlier. So here you can understand the power of consistency. Okay, it doesn't matter whether you practice your spoken English 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 60 minutes, it's up to you. But you should be following that sequence for the long time if you want to see the result, okay, quickly. This is the things which helps you a lot. All right, so let's suppose that today you are free only for 15 minutes. Today you are free only for 15 minutes, no problem. Just practice your English. Practice your English, and it will help you a lot. Again, I'm telling you, in every statement, it will help you a lot. So here one more thing that I would like to tell you. Let's suppose today you are very busy. Okay, you are having very busy schedule, because of which you could not practice your English. But it should be there tomorrow, that when you will practice your English again tomorrow, make sure that 50 minutes for yesterday, sorry, 50 minutes for yesterday which you missed, and 50 minutes for today, means overall 30 minutes you have to practice your spoken English. So here, in this way, whatever the minutes you had not practiced your English yesterday, today you will fulfill that. So in such a way you can maintain your fluency, you can maintain your consistency trick as well. This will help you a lot. Otherwise, if you think that let it be, today I'm not free, today I'm having lots of work to do, then obviously it will be taking long time to you to improve your English. Because I have faced the same issue, and nobody told me the correct way to learn English. I was practicing English just for fun, and when I realized like why I'm learning English language, And also I would like to tell you guys, first thing I told you, practiced. All right, here also you need to notice the points that I'm telling you here, so that after watching this video you can apply these all points in your daily learning journey. All right, so here I told you first thing, which was the practice, and the second thing, which is the consistency, and the third thing, which is very very important for each one of us, whoever wants to improve or learn English language. And the thing is what, you should have your why. You should have your why. Means, why do you want to improve your language? What is the reason behind it? Then only it will help you from your internal body to learn this language. And if you will miss even for one single day, so you will feel that you didn't do something good in your day. So it will push you up from internally. Okay? It will push you up. So here you should have your why. You should be very clear with your why. Like, why do you want to learn English? There should be answer of this question. Maybe you want to speak English because you want to do job. It is related to your business. You want to learn English because you want to work in the corporate sector. All right. So here you need to understand, and you need to very clear with your why. Like, why do you want to learn English? And if there will be no answers, then believe me, always you will feel not to practice your English. Whenever you will not be free, so you will think that, oh, let it be today, I'm not free, I'm busy, so I'll practice my English tomorrow. Why? Because your why is not there. And if your why will be there, then what will you think? You will say that, if I will not practice my English, then whatever I am dreaming for to become in my life, with the help of English, I will not achieve that if my English will not be good. So this is how it will help you, and it will give you the positivity to learn this language. So I told you there's three things, and which is, I can say that, very important. These points are very very important. Practice, practice and practice, which makes a person perfect. All right, practice makes a man perfect, simply. This is a statement also in English. And the second thing is that I told you about the consistency. And the third thing, you should be clear with your why. All right, so here guys, just try to follow these three things. Just try to follow these three rules for 1 month, for 30 days, and then after, come back, visit my channel, and tell me, did you get the improvement or not? I am very sure, I am very certain that your answer will be yes, I got the improvement. I learned something new, not something, many things new, and which helped me a lot to improve my spoken English. Just go. What are you waiting for? And do and implement all these things in your English learning journey. And definitely you will get lots of improvement. Alright. So I hope guys you enjoyed watching this video. And if you found it helpful, then please you can let me know in the comment section. And even if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section down below. Alright. And let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye. See you soon. And once again, thanks for watching my video.